So what happened here is, see where that little crack is? That went all the way through this gear split, and that's what was keeping my mirror from closing back. So I put vice grips on it to clamp it back together in this position it's supposed to be in, glued it back so everything is good there, and did a little bit of glue reinforcement as well. So now I'm going to put this whole thing back together, and you can see how it works. So the way this works here is there's the plugs where the power goes in for this motor. This motor sits down in here, but this gear rotates on that gear, which turns that gear, which turns that, and that is what actually bolts onto the wing mount, so it'll move. So this turns, that turns, that turns, and it turns. That's the whole assembly. I'm going to put this whole thing back together, and then that will go into the bigger assembly that has all the adjustments for up, down, side to side on the glass itself. And then I can put that assembly back in the shroud and put the shroud back on the car. So here's where the motor resides. It slides through here. Here's a spot where I said it bolts on. There's 3 screws that go through here. That's what it bolts this assembly to this whole assembly, which is, that's where the glass goes. And then I'll put this back in the mirror, get it on, and hopefully everything will be fine and I won't have to buy an entire mirror because one gear split.